my baby. Yeah, boys.
If you guys are wondering what's going on, sorry, the camera's a little foggy because it's raining out and I have it in the cover. But I wrecked her, boys. I was on my way to work, someone pulled out of the driveway and they pulled right in front of me and had no way of stopping and just hit her. Or I should say hit him. I hit a Cummins pickup in the bed on his right side, and yeah, it sucks, you know, 'cause I'm here to rob this. I would keep most of the stuff on the truck, but insurance didn't want me to pay for extras, so they ain't getting extras. So I'm kind of taking back what's mine. And yeah, so if you guys are wondering, I just couldn't stay away. This is the new one. I found this one actually was another needle in a Hemi 5.7 liter, almost the same exact thing. You know, we just have a chrome grill, a 2-piece bumper instead of a 1-piece bumper. I gotta get the base painted. I know these caps are black already. I think I might paint the base red. Door handles as well. I'll paint them red, but I'll put the black right here. Yeah, take off the pinstripes, emblems, manual windows. So yeah, that's always fun. You know, can't complain much. It did me good. You know, I had a good time with it. Yeah, so now I'm just loading up. So as you can kind of see there, it's like yellow tinted, whatnot. It's kind of burning. That's the chemical that's kind of losing it. Well, I thought these would work, but they don't. So we gotta go back.